or maybe more. So if you count how many mistakes with those, all right, then you also didn't play this correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 plus 5, plus 6. It's about, at least, no, and more than that. Yeah. So it's over 20 mistakes. Yeah. Okay. So maybe 6 sections trying to memorize while fixing stuff. Okay.
6. Oh yeah.
First page.
What's next?
So tomorrow, 1 through 6 by memory.
Yeah. And then
7 through
12. Keep looking. And then mistakes. Don't really have.
No.
Holding.
Or not over holding. For some notes, but fingering.
And then sharp.
That's the same thing as notes.
No, okay.
The rhythm was fine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that kind of stuff. Yeah. Okay, so that's what you did. Okay, so we have Sonatina.
The new Sonatina.
Page 38, let's do that. Give some mic for some questions, right?
This one.
So we have 1 through 4 separate hands, right?
Yeah. 1 through 4 separate hands.
And
I had an extra week. So I tried putting some of it.
Well, let's see. In the future, what I would prefer for you to go further on separate hands rather than combining hands together. Because, of course, it depends what we play. Because we have different goals here on the right hand and left hand melody and accompaniment. And if you can do that, if you have enough skills, maybe that's going to be fine. So let me hear what you're playing both hands together. But in the future, it's better to explore some newer parts, separate hands, rather than combining together. Okay? So this is not about the nuances, it's about the mistake. Okay, so look at the rhythm here, right?
Yeah.
So here we have a triplet, right?
Yeah.
And this one is, actually I'm going to write it in your notebook, so then you'll understand that, okay?
Okay. I have a blank page on the back that I
Well, we can do it right here because it's going to be under Sonatina anyway.
Okay.
So, we'll have 1 count, right?
And then a triple, right?
We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. We'll have triplet. Okay. So here we have this note that we play right here.
Yeah.
And then this note right here. Which one of these is that last note?
This one, the last one.
The very last one, yeah. So should we match this with the last note of the triplet?
No.
No, it should be coming after that, right? So that's what you need to remember because you started matching this, so it's not correct.
Okay.
So we bring this note pretty much next to this. It's almost like I just didn't want you to continue that way because we have so many of those, right?
Okay.
So the other thing that we have right here on the right hand.
Yeah.
I didn't say that. I saw you doing this. Okay, so let's try not to forget those elements on the right hand.
Okay.
Go. The rhythm. There's like 4/16 notes right here. Yeah. So, see? So this one is worth 3/16 notes, and this is just 1/16 note. So this note is 3 times longer than this one. Da, da, da. So basically, when we have something like this kind of rhythm, and because when we play fast sometimes in the future, we almost think of this as like a grace note. That's kind of like a little trick I want you to learn. It's definitely not going to be like this. Do you understand? So this note is 3 times longer than this one. 1 E and da, 1 E and da, 1 da, 1 da, da. 1 E and da. Well, I just don't want you to count 1 E and da because all those triplets.
Yeah, that's gonna
right. So that's why you just kind of think how you're gonna arrange that. Yeah. So how about this one? Grow, grow, grow. Do you know what I'm talking about? This arrows.
Oh yeah.
You're not doing it that way. You're playing each note individually. I mean, it could be done this way, but I usually prefer my students to do this a little bit more complex way, and then see if you can do that. It would be great. Okay, so not to play this each note individually. It's not wrong. It's just I think that would be more, especially in the faster tempo. Look which way it looks better. This is how you play that. Or
you're talking about the plucky thingy. We had an exercise.
No, I'm not talking about plucking.
That thingy.
I'm talking about what I'm doing here, these 3 arrows.
So like you're doing this, and then this, and then this.
No, I'm not talking about that right now at all. I'm talking about a breathing. So what you're doing, you're playing each note individually. This one, and this one, and this one. I'm exaggerating, it was not that much, but you're playing B, B, B. I'm playing B, and next one. Look at my wrist. So my wrist is growing while I'm playing these 3 notes. That's the idea. I call this air. Up,
like
while
a
playing.
air balloon.
Triplet. Yeah. If you can incorporate that, that would be great.
Okay.
So we're going to call this air.
Okay. Like you're getting more air.
Like, here we go. And you're still playing each note individually. Okay, so can you play just right now? These 3 notes. Here we go. Right. So don't let left hand destroy that, okay?
Okay.
Good. Which one is the melody? Yeah. Well, we still do the U shapes. We still. Right. Okay. Again.
Okay.
Where's crescendo? And which hand crescendo is for?
Right hand?
Yeah. Just right, not left. Oh, you did it. The thing is that you don't need to pay that much attention to the left hand. Left hand is just the background. So only focus on the right hand and think about what are the goals. So basically we go step by step. Grow, 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 arriving U-shape resolution. Next, grow, 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 U-shape resolution. Next, we're gonna add more later on, but right now let's just do this like very, very basic.
Okay.
Grow, grow, jump resolution. Next, grow, jump resolution. 2, 3, 4. It's not the best fingering, but it's okay. Okay. I don't think so. So that's why, I thought maybe it's not a great idea to combine hands together, not until your right hand knows exactly what needs to be done.
Okay.
So please go over this. Go on. Just right hand. Don't play both. Are you sure? Or should you say what? You like resolution, yes. Yeah. More. That's right here. Right. I don't think so. It says specifically two lips. Go on. Is this going to be a melody or accompaniment?
Melody.
I know it says piano. Well, let's ignore that. Melody needs to be really bright.
Okay.
And then also, to make it more musically played, start thinking about shaping, even if it's not written. Okay? Of course. Very good. Well, you went too far. No? Oh.
No.
Fingering. Resolution.
Quieter.
and then have to let you learn it first, okay? And then you combine them together at some point. But first learn this, the rest of it. That's it, right?
Yeah, it's a
Oh, there's more.
2-page. Wait,
Yeah, 2 pages.
there's more?
No, this is next movement.
Okay.
So those 2 pages, but separate hands.
Okay.
Okay, so I think that's actually better than combining hands together.
Okay.
Okay. And then once you feel comfortable, you can start combining, let's say, first few sections. But so how many sections do I have? 9?
Yeah, I think 9. I put the green bookmark there.
So separate hands. Maybe first 2 sections.
24.
Yeah, both at some point. Try. I'm writing try. Okay. So, but there are lots of elements on the right hand, so that's what we want to focus first. And then once we feel comfortable, then we can proceed to the next step. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Guide the book.